1, 2, and 3.
Today is indeed a very proud occasion for not only the Avondale community, but my office and the parish as a whole. This is a project that's been worked on for a couple years now. This whole project started with a resident who lived right over there named Tammy Reitz. And it was her vision to see this park get a facelift and put back into use by the community. And I wish Tammy would be with us today, but unfortunately passed away from cancer. But her mother, Brenda Haley, is here representing Tammy, and I'm sure Tammy's up in heaven looking down on us with a big smile that we're actually having this day. And it's going to be my hope. I'm going to look into what we can do to name something out here about after Tammy. So that's a project that we're going to take back from this to look at that.
Thank you.
None of what we see here today would have been possible without the assistance of 3 of our industrial partners. We have IMTT, Bunge, and Cornerstone. They all contributed $27,000 towards this project, and my office and the Recreation Department matched their contributions.
We are so excited to be part of this project. Avondale is a special place for IMTT. We were actually founded in 1939 with the acquisition of our Avondale terminal. And we believe at IMTT that our most important license to operate is issued by our communities. So it's absolutely vital that we partner with our communities. And we had an opportunity to participate in this project, and we couldn't be more proud of how it turned out. And we really hope that the community enjoys it, and we'll be around for another 80-some years. So call us for the next project.
You weren't here earlier, Tracy, but the other side of Avondale is a playground over there, and they're like, hey, where's our stuff? We call this Little Avondale, and that's Big Avondale. So they're already asking.
Thank you to Jefferson Parish and to the other community organization leaders that helped us put this park together. It's beautiful. You can, I can just think about Miss Tammy from the first time that we met her when she called when we didn't even have, good pillars up, and she called and said, thank you for being in this community, but let me tell you what I need you to do. And so just her spirit, I just think about that so much, and how much, again, she was focused on others, even in her own battles. Again, Bunge, so happy to be a part of this community. In North America, we're celebrating our 100th year, our centennial anniversary, and we're just happy to be, again, part of this Avondale community, and looking forward to the next 100 years. Thank you.
I can tell you the neighborhood already, as several people I've run into them have told me how happy they are to have this work done in their neighborhood. They feel like it's an asset to them. As you can see, there's walkways where you don't even have to drive here. You can walk from your house and come here. A lot of the children have a lot more space now to run around and play in. So it's an asset to the community, and something that everyone is going to enjoy. Somebody from Bunge, somebody from IMTT, and somebody from Cornerstone, as well as Recreation. Come join me up here in the Avondale Home Association. Tammy's mom, Miss Brenda, why don't y'all come up here? We're going to cut a ribbon.